Hello everyone, thank you for joining. It's a legal dictation of 500 words at 100 words per minute. If you have any suggestions, please drop your suggestions in comment box.
Ready? 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Start. Thereafter, a similar request was made to the Speaker by Shri Dharam Singh, another member of the Vidhan Sabha elected as a candidate of the HJC, to recognize the merger of the HJC with the INC and to also recognize him along with the other 4 legislators as members of the INC in the Haryana Vidhan Sabha. Subsequently, another application was filed by Shri Dharam Singh before the Speaker on 10th November 2009, requesting him to be recognized as a part of the INC in the Haryana Vidhan Sabha. The Speaker, by a separate order, allowed the said application upon holding that the same was in consonance with paragraph 4 of the 10th schedule to the Constitution. Challenging the aforesaid orders, the respondent number 1, Shri Kuldeep Bishnoi, filed 5 separate petitions before the Speaker under Article 191, read with the 10th schedule to the Constitution of India and the Haryana Legislative Assembly Rules 1986 on the ground that they had voluntarily given up the membership of their original political party and had joined the INC in violation of the provisions of paragraph 4 of the 10th schedule. On receipt of the said petitions, the Speaker on 22nd December 2009 forwarded copies thereof to the concerned MLAs, asking them to submit their comments within a period of 3 weeks. On 7th April 2010, applications were received by the Speaker from the concerned MLAs praying for time to file their written statement. The matter was accordingly adjourned and further time was granted to the concerned MLAs to file their explanation. The respondent number 1, however, filed a writ petition in the Punjab and Haryana High Court, seeking quashing of the orders passed by the Speaker on 9th and 10th November 2009, and also for declaration that the 5 MLAs in question were disqualified from the membership of the Haryana Vidhan Sabha, and in the alternative for a direction on the Speaker to dispose of the disqualification petitions within a period of 3 months. Notice of motion was issued to the respondents on directing them to enter appearance and to file their written statements within 3 days before the next date of hearing fixed on 1st September 2010, either in person or through an advocate. On receipt of notice from the High Court, the Speaker, by his order dated 30th August 2010, adjourned the hearing of the disqualification petitions sine die. On 20th December 2010, the learned single judge of the High Court allowed the writ petition and directed the Speaker to finally decide the disqualification petitions pending before him within a period of 4 months from the date of receipt of the certified copy of the order, which direction has given rise to the question as to whether the High Court in its jurisdiction under Article 226 and 227 of the Constitution was competent.
If you found the video beneficial and useful, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.